Welcome to our comprehensive guide on transferring your data from iPhone to Android in 2025. Let's explore how to make this transition seamless. There are many reasons why people choose to switch from iPhone to Android, including customization options, hardware variety, and price flexibility. The most common data types to transfer include contacts, photos, messages, and apps. Let's dive deeper into how to transfer these safely. You can transfer your data using dedicated apps or through manual methods. Each has its advantages based on your preferences. Now, let's follow our step-by-step guide using official transfer tools that most manufacturers provide. Third-party applications can also help. Here are some of the most reliable options available in 2025. Backing up your data before transferring is crucial. Let's ensure your data integrity throughout the process. If you run into issues during your transfer, here are some common troubleshooting tips to help you out. After a successful transfer, don't forget to set up your new Android device properly. Here are some tips to get you started. To sum up, following these best practices will ensure a smooth transition from iPhone to Android without losing any important data.